Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this Mickey D's. I've got the what's this called? The Big Mac today. And I do not like pickles. So we are gonna get the bag and place the pickles in there. And we're gonna eat. Yummy. I parked on the side of the road here at a beach entrance. Please don't park right next to me. Musty park right next to me? Yes, you must. Why is this always happening to me? Anyways, Big Mac, the medium fry, and a drink on the side. Let's eat. This is what it looks like if anybody cares to know. God, I'm making a freaking mess all over my car. You know what? It's fun. Sorry for the weird camera angle today. Not the very best angle, but you know, it is what it is. It is windy today. Cold and windy. A lot of people are at the beach. My hair is crazy because I was at the beach too, but I didn't go near any humans. Don't worry. Yeah, I just love a good burger. It's yummy and freaking amazing. You guys should get mac sauce to dip your fries in if you like mac sauce. It's good. Mac sauce is what they have on the Big Macs. Wow. There's this family with like, I think 2 adults and 3 children. And they're biking and they have their kids in the back. I don't know why people are having kids in the back. I would have, like, for example, me in the front and then my husband in the back. And no, me in the front, kids in the middle, husband in the back. Or me in the back and husband in the front. I will not leave my kids behind. But there's actually, I think, a 3rd adult that just passed right now with a kid in the front, so maybe they were all together. I don't know. Anyways, I have some great news. I did get this job I applied for. So I'm excited. Super excited. I might announce what job it is later down the road. We'll see. Because I can record me doing my job there and show you how it's like done. But sorry if I'm like, I don't know, weird today. My hair is crazy. It's just a crazy hairstyle day. I don't know. So yeah, once I start working, I'm getting, I think it's like, well, I can't even speak. It was so awkward. I had to call her back to tell her that I'll accept the job. Yeah, I start Monday at 9. I like this job because I don't have to deal with customers, really. You know, like, face to face, like if you were to work at a cashier or a grocery store. Like, I still have to this way, but just a little bit, like, not too much, just minor contact. Which I love. I've worked at this place before, so it's nothing new. It's not McDonald's, guys. No way. Yeah. I was gonna go back to a McDonald's in Oregon to work over there for them because they called me and I used to work for them, but then I was like, yeah, I was not happy, so I'm not gonna just return back there anymore. But to this day, I still know how to make, like, all these sandwiches and things, which is kind of crazy. Oh no, I don't want to make a big mess here. Excuse me. You guys just here with me. Don't worry about him. He has the back windows open, so he's perfectly fine. Hey, little man. I'm letting him lick the sauce of this mac sauce. He's such a delicate boy, like, literally such a delicate guy. I'm gonna take off his leash here. Good boy. So we had a little bit of fun today. Went out, got out of the house, you know. I'm sorry that you can't really see the food. Gosh, I need to get, like, soon, hopefully, if not this month, next month I'll buy a car mount and maybe like a little food tray for the car, so that when I do these videos it's much easier for y'all to see them. By the way, this job is here in Washington, so I don't have to drive across the big bridge, which is just good for winter time because it's not fun driving in that. He's such a cute guy. You know what kind of car I don't like? I don't like vans. I don't know why. I just don't like the way they look. I don't find them to be, like, nice looking at all. No offense. I mean, I know there's good newer ones that are coming out. I just don't like the shape of them. And the fact that you gotta, like, haul a giant door to open it. Well, you can press a button now, but still, you know? Excuse me, sorry. It's not attractive at all. It's just not my cup of tea. Anymore. Well, it's never been my cup of tea. It's just I don't like them, I don't know. Almost done here. Why am I so tired already? I don't know. I didn't stay up too late last night. Maybe like 3 a.m. I think. Which isn't too bad. I kind of want to take my car and drive to Oregon. I don't know. I'm just in the mood for some like trip. So if I was to like ever, you know, have children, I would not get a van because I just don't like them. I'd get like a smaller SUV or like a little SUV Jeep. I don't know, I just don't like vans. That was good. Good stuff. Good stuff. I dropped a fry that I'm gonna give to Zeus. Gosh, I hate this chair. It's so squeaky. He's so cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry if it wasn't really as interesting. Nothing really much going on in my life except that I just got this new job. So that's exciting. I start Monday and today's Friday? Yeah. Damn. Oh, excuse me. I got like 2 more days left to enjoy before work life. Dang. This is a big drink. I know that I asked for a medium, but why they gave me a large? It was like a medium meal, so it's fine. Not mad about that at all. But anyways, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a safe time when you're going out in public. Don't forget to wear your masks. Now we're going to be required to wear them here in Washington when you're out in public places. I'm in the car now, so it doesn't matter. But anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.